Whoa! Did you see that? Mass drop! Total win!
Maya, cap check, bro. That is gas.
Wait, gas? You mean the bubbles are literally stealing my weight? Bro, the scale says 5 grams just vanished into the back rooms. Chat, I need an immediate reality check. If we weigh the entire closed glass room right now, what is the total mass? Drop a 2 in the chat if you think the atoms are still lagging inside. 3 seconds.
Matter is never created or destroyed, only transformed.
Wild! So chemistry cannot delete matter. It is just giving it a glow up into gas. No atoms were harmed in the making of this video. Science always wins, bro.
Don't be NPC. Subscribe now.